Coursera for Business online courses review watch before using. Upskilling your team is more important than ever, but most companies get this wrong. They invest in generic training that employees don't engage with. Coursera for Business provides curated online courses from top universities and companies designed to enhance skills and improve performance. The surprising truth is how much choice and flexibility it offers, and how quickly teams can access industry-leading content. You won't believe the range of professional development available. Here's how it works. Organizations can purchase licenses for their employees, who gain access to thousands of courses in technology, business, data science, leadership, and more. For example, a marketing team can learn the latest digital marketing strategies from a university like the University of Illinois without leaving the office. Coursera provides tracking and reporting tools so managers can monitor progress, set learning goals, and measure skill improvements. Most companies get this wrong. They assume online courses are self-managed. Coursera gives administrators oversight while letting employees learn at their own pace. Another feature is certification. Completing courses results in accredited certificates that employees can use for career advancement, boosting motivation and engagement. However, there are considerations. High-level or specialized content may require some prior knowledge. Most people assume all courses are beginner-friendly while many are. Some require foundational skills. In conclusion, Coursera for Business is an excellent solution for organizations seeking to invest in workforce development. It combines flexibility, expert instruction, and measurable outcomes to improve skills and performance across teams. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of online learning platforms and business tools.